James, I understand one of your bloggers did an interview with someone very important in our history. Who is that?
That's right. Dorothy Height. We have a blogger, Faye Anderson, who's located in D.C. She's at a watch party, election watch party, like I'm sure many of you are right now, and she happens to be in the room with Dorothy Height, and she interviewed her talking to about this whole Obama mania, and this is a quote from Dorothy Height concerning President Obama, the idea of President Obama. She said, quote, "It means that what I have worked for has not been in vain. I see in Obama a sense of the future and realize that the strength is in our people." I mean, it doesn't get any better than that, right?
Right, that's amazing.
Again, you can log on, TV1online.com. Faye Anderson's there blogging about everything going on in D.C. and the D.C. metro area.
Okay, so and you're saying that TV1online.com is where we're looking at bloggers, we're going to parties, people are sending in video. You were talking about celebratory video that you had earlier.
That's right.
And so Dorothy Height is at a watch party? Dorothy
Height's at a watch party. We have bloggers, what we're calling our battlefield bloggers. So they're in Ohio and Virginia. Some of these places aren't battlefields anymore, but Ohio, Virginia, a whole bunch of different places. And they're doing user reporting. They're talking to the people on the ground who are in the lines. They're getting some celebrities like, Dorothy Height. So, yeah, I mean, it's all going down. If you've got a story to tell, TV1online.com wants to hear it. So please upload it, photos, video, email, whatever you've got to say about this historic night. We're ready to hear it.